Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer application from Android to Android. Okay, let's get into it guys. If we want to transfer application, we can use Google Play Store application. First thing first, of course, you have to open this application on your Android mobile phone, and then you can go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon on the top right. Then go to the Manage Apps and Device. Okay, and since we want to send application, we can select send option. Then you can choose the applications you would like to transfer from your Android mobile phone. For example, I'm going to select my Google Sheets application and my Instagram as well. Then we can click on the send button on the top right, and you can ask the receiver to go to the receive apps in Google Play, and their device will show up here. They will also be able to send application to your device. Alright guys, and that is how basically we can transfer application from Android mobile phone to Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.